Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez, Pyrmont, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Have you seen the Sale-A-Bration brochure? Now this only goes to the 28th of February, and it has things in there that you can get for free when you spend $100 or $200 consecutively or just once. So things like this see how it has free for $100 spend? So you can choose different things. And this little kit is in there. It's so cute. So it comes with the normal instructions. It comes in a little bag like this. So it doesn't come in a box like the other kits do, but it works the same way. So you open up your little instruction sheet, and on the back they always have what you're going to do, what you need for each thing, so each card. Okay. Oh, we've got all these pieces here. See, there's an envelope with each one. So you go to number 1. What have I got left here? I've made a few of them already, but we just quickly put one together for you. And so this one's number 1, and it's got cheers, happy birthday. So I've already made that one and stamped the back of it with my handmade bits, but it's such a cute little card, and they're so bright. I love them. I've actually ordered another one. It's coming in my order tomorrow, I hope. So they're the little envelopes that you get with them. And of course that goes inside the card. So when someone opens it, it looks like they've got little clouds. Isn't that cute? So that's that one. I'll just grab these two. So this is Hooray, Let's Celebrate, and Yay, It's Your Day. So I've already sold one of them. I made some the other day when I was on a stall, and they love them so much that I sold some. So this one's the green one, and you can make them however you like. You don't have to do it the same. If you want to pick a different colour to do a different arrangement, but I'm just going to use this one. So number 2 card says I need this card, which is what I've got out. We'll get the envelope in a minute. And then it says to fold the card. So we've folded the card like that. And then we've got our base card. And then it tells us to do the clouds. So we'll just find some clouds. They just pop out like this. Really easy. There's our clouds. So on the back of our clouds it tells us, just move that over, where to put our dimensionals. So we just peel them off. That's sticky back and front, so it's got a paper on the top of it. So we leave that on until we're ready. Put that one on there. And I try and put them where they show me in the photo, because sometimes they put them in a certain arrangement so that something will fit under something else. So that one's like that. And then this one has around the pink. It's going to fit around the pink. So we've got a couple of different sizes here. Put my little tool down. Again, just pull them off carefully. They just joined like that. So if we put that on there, that's going to match what they've got there. And then this other one will be for the other card. So I'll pop that over there. So it's telling us to put dimensionals behind that piece. We'll just do that. Put one there. Put one there. I'll put that one sideways. I'll try and line them up so the lines are next to the outside lines, so you don't see them on the other side. That's better. And we want another one down here. Oops. Try and do that better this time. Still going to be crooked, look at me. I think it's stuck on now. Let's have a look. If it sticks out too much, you can trim it with scissors. I think it'll be okay. Alright, so then we've got those two. So it says to put them on. So I'm going to take off the little backing pieces like this. And you can do all of this, just, you don't really need many tools at all. I still use my take your pick tool. That's that thing I had in my hand, this, because I love using it for, you know, getting the bits off and all that, but you don't need them with the kids. So I'm going to put that on. Just line it up with the bottom of the card. It's pretty simple. And then this one will go, so see how they've put the dimensionals there and there and there. They haven't put one. That's why I pay attention to what they've done on here, because they do that intentionally. Especially if you've never made cards before, it's really important to look at those things and put them where they've shown you. They're great, the kits. I just love them. I mean, I make other cards that are quite involved, but I really like doing the kit cards as well, because you don't have to think about it too hard, and they turn out gorgeous. Look at them. So easy. Okay, and this one we don't even have to stamp. So we've got, now we need to put some dimensionals on that piece, so we'll just go and find that. So that'll be the yay. Get rid of that cloud over there. We've got all different words here, and we can do another language if we want to. I'm going to stick with the yay. There's the yay. I'll turn that one over, and we'll put dimensionals where they've got them again on there. So they've got them up one end more. There and there. Okay, and then we've got the it's your day. It's your day. And now if we turn that over, so let's just look at where they're going to go. So before you take the paper off the back, you can put them down like this to have a look. Check that one out. That one's going to be fine just there, and this one is going to go just under it. Now they've gone over the top of the word, but I'm going to go a little bit lower. So I'm going to put the 2 on that, like they've got them at either end. And then we can just pull the little things off. And I'm going to put this one down before I stick the other one down, just to get it in position. Something on there. And I'm just going to center it there. So just do it, you know, as best you can. And remember, it's a handmade card, which is so special, making something handmade for somebody. And you can always, you know, change it up a bit. You could put it on the side like that, or you could put it down there, put it wherever you want to, because it's your card. Yay! Look, how simple is that? 8 minutes. Must be one of my quickest videos. So there you go. That's one of the free Sale-A-Bration items that you can get when you purchase from Stampin' Up at the moment until the end of February. And this one, they all come up on the website when you, so if you log in and create an account, and there's my Fiona Fernandez.stampinup.net. So if you look for me in the Demonstrator section, you'll find me. You can search by my name, or you can search by my postcode 2009. And there's the little kit there. It shows you all the different cards in it. So have fun with that, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!